Shortbread cookies is my favorite cookies of all time. Milky with the perfect amount of sugar and absolutely delicious. As a little girl in Nigeria, I was always excited when my mom bought shortbread cookies. To when I lived in Scotland, Walker's shortbread cookies I ate a lot. And even now in the Netherlands, I still love shortbread cookies and make it often for my family. To a bowl, add powdered sugar, unsalted butter at room temperature, and mix together until well combined. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Then add vanilla extract, salt, and powdered milk, and mix together until well combined. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Lastly, add all-purpose flour and sieve to remove any lumps. Mix together until well combined. Place the batter onto a baking paper and make into a log like so. And because the dough is soft, we would refrigerate for around 1 hour, or you can also freeze for just 15 minutes. The goal is for the dough to harden a bit so you can cut. After 1 hour, cut the dough into your desired size and shape. Once ready, bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for around 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from the heat and enjoy! Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, let me know in the comments section if you tried this recipe, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and until next time, remain blessed.